day 7 in self-isolation. Thursday the 26th of March. So, Harry, how has your day been today?
Good.
Good, and why has it been good? What have you been doing?
Because I've been watching a film.
What film did you watch?
Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
Okay. What else have you been doing?
Bouncing on trampoline.
Yeah.
And playing football.
What football did you do?
The course.
Football obstacle course, yeah.
Hard.
It was hard, was it?
Little bit.
How fast were you though?
First I was 20, and then 19, and then 18, and then 13,
So you got quicker.
and then 18, and then when I done my little sisters of the course, 6.
Yeah. Okay. And did you do a monster game today?
Yeah,
What was the monster game about?
reading.
Reading. And then, what have we done just before tea?
Do video. Bike ride.
Went on a little bike ride, didn't we? But we had to stay away from people, didn't we?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It was still good fun to get out?
Mm.
Okay. So, if you were given today a score out of 10, 1 is rubbish and 10 is brilliant, what would your score be today?
8.
8. Okay.
Again.
See you tomorrow.
1 whole week and I've done that.
1 whole week. Wonder what it'll be next week.
Not 1 whole week. Bye.